You know, we are continually impressed by students who know what they want to do in life and take the steps to reach their goals. Sounds a lot like this week's A-plus award winners, the Business Professionals of America student organization at Buchtel Community Learning Center in Akron. The Business Professionals of America, or BPA for short, are 6th, 7th, and 8th graders who are honing their skills for leadership in business or other related fields. Michael told us that it's not just learning about public speaking and how to use spreadsheets, it's also about building your confidence. Quincy added that BPA has really helped him work with other people and to develop goals and strategies. Malaya told us that it really helped her learn how to advocate for her ideas and what she believes in. You see, BPA students get to participate in competitions that challenge the students to work together and communicate effectively. Joslyn explained to us that in the competitions, they have to give public speeches and even record videos. Zion and Michael told us that they use all kinds of editing software, especially CapCut, to make their videos. And Braylon told us that they have to be really organized with their thoughts and ideas so they can communicate effectively when making videos and giving speeches. The BPA team at Buchtel has been scoring high marks in their competitions. After competing at the State Leadership Conference held in Columbus, they became national qualifiers to attend and travel to Chicago for the 2024 Business Professionals of America National Leadership Conference. This group of Buchtel Griffins left us with some wise words that really motivated us to make this the best season of NewsDepth yet. They told us that if something is important enough to put your name on it, it's important enough to do your very best. Congratulations to the Business Professionals of America from Buchtel Community Learning Center in Akron.